Alright, students, let's look at this question here, which is on the application of differentiation. Now, this is to ask you to find the equation of tangent and the normal to the curve where point x equals -2. So, using the derivative, right, how do you actually find the equation of tangent and also the normal to the curve? In other words, what we want is when x is -2, I'm not sure where it's yet, let's say here, -2 is here, right? Like x is -2 here. There you go. Okay. There you go. So what is the equation of tangent along this line here? So let me just roughly sketch this curve here, okay, to illustrate this. You don't really need to draw exact, but it's good. Okay, so when x equals to -2, we know that just now what we did was is around here. Okay, this is the tangent here, which is actually -2 here. Okay, so let's look at that. So dy dx would be 3x squared plus 2x minus 4. Okay, there you go. At the point where x equals -2. So m tangent, okay, the gradient of the tangent, right, is equals to dy dx when x is equals to -2, right? So in this case here, it's 3 minus 2 squared plus 2 minus 2 minus 4. So let me apologize for the horrible handwriting here. So -2 minus 4. So key in calculator, you should be able to get that. So it's 3 times 4. So this is 3 times 4 minus 4. And we're going to put -4 here. And that will be 4. Okay. This is m tangent. So obviously this gradient here, m tangent, is 4. And if you want to find the normal, equation will be here, right? This is it. This is the equation of normal. So m normal is here. We know that m normal multiplied with m tangent will be -1. So that's the reason why we need the m1 times m2 equals to -1. But before that, we need to find the value of y. So when x, okay, when x equals to -2, y equals to -2 cubed plus -2 squared minus 4 minus 2 minus 3. A lot of things going on, I agree. So this case here, key in calculator, it will be -8. So -2 squared cubed plus 4 plus 8 minus 3, which is 1. Okay, so there's a 1. So this point here is actually -2, 1, right? So now we want to find the equation of tangent, but equation of m normal. Well, let's find m normal first because it will be easier. M normal times m tangent, because the perpendicular is -1, so m normal would be -1 over 4. So now equation of tangent, what we did in the previous chapters, this would be we use m tangent, so y minus y1 equals m x minus x1, right? Equation of tangent, right? So we're going to use the tangent, m tangent, which is this y, we minus off y here, which is 1. Tangent will be 4, so this is 4, x minus -2. Okay, so there you go. So this is actually y equals to 4x, maybe I'll just go plus 8. So 2 plus 4 plus 1, which is y equals to 4x plus 9. Okay, so this is equation of tangent. So if you were to key this into calculator, y equals to y equals to is that it? 4x plus 9. It should give you this point -1. Okay, so that's pretty okay. Then after which we're gonna find the equation of normal. The equation of normal, same thing. We're gonna use y minus y1, but now instead of m tangent, we use m normal because normal the gradient, right? So x minus x1. I prefer to use this expression because it's easier. But if you want to use y equals mx plus c, it works as well. So don't have to just stick to me. Use your method, whichever you feel like it. But obviously, if you follow my method, it's easier to follow. And usually the practice that I use is good because it will bring you, it's essentially good practice, right? You save you time sometimes in the long run. So this is minus 1 over quarter x minus 1 quarter times 2 plus 1. So this case here, what we get is minus 2 over 4 plus 1, which is actually negative. So negative 1 over 4x plus half. Okay, so there it goes. This is equation of normal. This is equation of tangent. So equation of tangent is this one. Key in the graph here. So y, I'm not sure. Y equals to 1 quarter x, and that will be half. There you go. This is the normal, right? Normal where it's 90 degrees. Yeah, so this is how you do this question here proficiently. Any question or comments, please let us know. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next question.